Come and get it.
What's up, everybody? This is eBoy Gaming. This is my first YouTube video. There might be some strange parts about this game because this is my first YouTube video. So just bear with me, and I just want to say, if you're watching this, thank you for supporting me. Like, this is my first video, so I'm gonna say thank you. Also, I want to just talk about my first giveaway. It's not that big, but like if you like my videos, I'll randomly pick a person who's this thing that likes my videos, and they'll win a free iPhone 4S. It's not the latest model, but at least it's a good working iPhone 4S. It comes with the whole thing. It's it's clean. I'm getting an iPhone 6, so I think I should just give this away. It works. It's just, let me just power it on just to make sure that you guys believe me. It actually works, but it's not open to it's open to the Hello and setup screen. So all you gotta do is just set it up and you can get it. So just bear with me, and let's see who wins. Also, shout out to my brother Carl, Osiris Perfect C. Go follow him on Instagram, also on Xbox, and I also be making Xbox videos. My first video today will be LeBron James. I'll be unboxing LeBron on the Soldier 9s. Everybody, so let's just get started. The first thing I like to say is that I love the box. I never got a box like this. When I saw the box, I was going crazy because I was not really a fan of the Soldiers, but the Soldier 9s came out, and I really liked them at first, but the color that it came in was nice. But here's my size. Here's the signature sign from LeBron James. I used to wear size 10 and a half, but look, I'm wearing 11 and a half right now. It costs $150. It's my first time buying this at Foot Locker. So let's open this. I love the way how you open it, so let's see that. Look at this. Wow, look at that. Smooth. Okay, so this is the box. And here's like, it's a little slot. Let me move this real quick for you guys. Okay, it's like a little slot. Upside down. Okay. Tell me if the angling is good. Okay, so it's just a little slot. Let's just put this on the side. You see I got a bunch of boxes here, so put it right there. Okay. This how you see it first person. A nice box. Okay, let me just do this. Let's open it. Let's see. Wow, look at this. Look at that. Look how nice this is. My bag is ripped because when I bought it, the lady dropped it. So. Let's just look at the left pair. Wow, look at it. It's a black with a barbecue, and it's a bright Christmas. I'll put in the description what it is. I can't really pronounce that, but it's a nice red. I got a nice red book bag. It's very nice. Let me just show you around it, under. Okay, let me show you the logo. This is so nice. It's like a strap. And you open it like this. It goes all the way through the sole. I like how they use like the fly wire through this to give it a definition in the sign, and like to take it instead of just putting it black. I like that. The listing on this is pretty weird, but still, it's not that you have to tie it and strap it. You can't just let the shoes hang out. But look, this is the longest strap I ever saw. But look at this. You gotta pull this open. Oh, you gotta pull this. Yeah, that's how you put it on. I'll show you how it looks on my feet. My feet's getting bigger and bigger. Well, I'll show you my feet, but you know what I mean. You know what I mean. But yeah, it's a nice shoe. Let me show you the left side. Oops. Okay, sorry about that, but yeah, this is a shoe. Let me put it side by side. Strap it like this. 360 view. Okay. When I got these, I thought for my was fake because LeBron right now, he's number 23. I'm saying, why does it only has a 2? But then on this shoe has a 3. I was like, oh, 23. So yeah. But I'm not sure if you could put it in like through this little slot, but that don't work at all. So, but yeah, this is the shoe. It was very hard finding. My mom actually bought this for $150, which I was supposed to get $100 pair of sneakers, but I guess I got that. So, I want to say thanks to my mom, and today's her birthday actually. So yeah, so I want to say thank you to her, and also to my shout out to my little brother. But I might be unboxing these Team Huskers, but I'm not sure about that yet. And also maybe these Air Force Ones from my brother Perplex. And I want to say thank you for tuning in. So please check out my gaming. This is my first video, so please check out my gaming channel. It'll be coming, new gaming, GTA, Minecraft, and all that stuff. And if the sound sounds weird, I bet you I'm looking at this. Just tell me and it'll be ready. Thanks.